So this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the locking of a patio door, how to make sure it's locking properly and take the play out of it. What you're going to need here is a Robinson screwdriver number 2, or a bit in the drill, which we have here, and a small straight screwdriver. This is your catch on your patio door here that your lock catches into. Part of the panel right here catches into this piece. So basically you have to eyeball this up, put this into the lock position and see where it's going to be to lock the door. If this is too low or too high, you'll be able to tell just by looking. Loosen off these screws here and adjust it to where you need it to be adjusted to. Tighten them back up. There also should be, after you get the door working properly, a long screw put through here. It comes in the packaging. It should be put through there to hold that securely into the framing. So then I'll show you how to adjust the throw on this. So you'll see this patio door when it's closed and locked. It has play back and forth in it. You get that play out of it, open your door, put it in the lock position. When you watch this portion here, you'll be able to see it move in and out. So we're going to get it to move in so it holds the panel tighter. You can see that slowly moving in there. Now when I close that door, there's still a little bit of play in it. So we're going to adjust it in a little bit further. Play's gone out of it now. So we'll zoom in on that screw, just right there. It's that straight screw. So that's bringing it back out. You can see it slowly moving out. This one here, move it back in. So that's a simple adjustment to take the play out of the door.